Hey, what is up guys, this is Tien, and today in this video I'll be doing an unboxing of my Acer Nitro 5 that I recently just bought, which will be replacing my Dell Inspiron 14R that I've owned for at least I'd say 7 years, since 2011. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is my so here's an unboxing. I'm sorry, and you know, the shipping was pretty fast. Bought it from Best Buy when it was on sale. It's a pretty good laptop. It's an i5-8300H with 8 GB of RAM, but I upgraded to 16 GB. And here's the box. It's a pretty nice and slick box. It's pretty good there. And let's see what else. It's a 15.6 IPS panel, 60 Hertz. I believe it's, correct me if I'm wrong, 66 RGB, so it's not really that color accurate. So if you want to do editing and all that, anything color related like that, then you probably have to get an external monitor, or even upgrade the monitor yourself. You can do an internet search on that. And Acer was nice enough to give me a case, or it comes with a case, so you can store your laptop. So it's good value, and it's pretty. It's in good protective cover. And oh yeah, and this, okay. And there's the warranty information, and then some pamphlet about something, and some more paperwork. So the laptop weighs about 5.95 pounds, 1.1 inches thick as the thickest point, which is usually towards the back where the fan is. It's a pretty heavy laptop. I wasn't surprised at all when I got it. It was pretty heavy. Alright, and here's the, I believe this is the AC adapter and the cable. So alright, and there's the cable, AC adapter and the cable. Alright, and so it has a, let's see, so it's a 1080p screen, as I mentioned earlier. Stereo speakers. Speakers are pointed towards the bottom. So it's bottom firing. Even though they're bottom firing, they still sound good. Alright, now here's a laptop. I take it out of that protective covering. When I first saw it, I thought the laptop was pretty big. I knew it was going to be big. It was 15.6. But the matte finish on the back looks really good. It felt really good. Here I am opening up the laptop for the first time. There's the protective covering, and it looks pretty solid. When I saw it, like I say, it was pretty big, but I knew that going in. Here's some of the ports. I believe that's the power port, USB, the HDMI, not the power port, HDMI, the RJ45 port. Here on the other side you have the power port, and the 3.5mm jack, USB. So pretty good standard size features. So they're all located on the side. And here's the fan. One of them is enclosed. The other side, there's a fan there. Well, the other one's a fake fan. This is the real one here. And the GPU and the CPU fans, they're all tied in together, which could be a con. It could raise some question of overheating. Here's the keyboard. Looks pretty good. Red LED lights. You can turn them on, turn them off, etc. Chiclet style. There's the touchpad. It's pretty well built. So here I've already gotten it set up and up and running within a few minutes. So everything's good. So yeah, everything's good. So if you like my video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.